Hello children, welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. This is Shilpa Patil. Today we are going to start our Moral Science 6th chapter, Hunger for Knowledge. The story begins. One day, Vilas went to his Guru and said angrily, Guruji, you do not teach me anything. Jivan is your favorite student and you teach him with greater attention. I came to you earlier, but you did not teach me the way you have taught him. One day, Vilas went to his guru as Vilas and Jivan both were doing studies, but Vilas was thinking that Guruji is paying more attention than him towards the Jivan. Jivan, one of the scholar student, and he was the favorite of every teacher. That way, he was thinking that Guruji is giving more knowledge to Jivan more than Vilas. Guruji kept his cool for some time. Then he said, Vilas, I share an incident with you. Guruji didn't say anything and he just said that I want to share you an incident. The Guruji begins the story like this. Once a traveler was on his way to a town. Once there was a traveler who was walking towards his town. It was midday in summer. The sun was blazing hot. We know, children, in the summer season how the sun is shining and too much hot it is. The traveler felt thirsty. The traveler was too much thirsty as he was walking on the road at the midday in the summer. His throat was extremely dry. On the roadside, he saw a well. As he was very much thirsty and he saw the well, he became very happy. A bucket was lying nearby. The more important thing, the bucket also was there, so he can get the water very easily. But there was no rope. There was no rope at all, and the water in the well also too much deep. A bucket was lying nearby, but there was no rope. He did not know how to draw water from the well. He decided to look for some other well and moved on. He didn't done anything. He just leave the well and searching for another well he moved on. After some time another traveler came to that well. After some time one more traveler came there to the well. He too was thirsty. As the first traveler was thirsty, this traveler also was too much thirsty. His face lit up with hope and joy. He ran towards the well. As he was too much thirsty, that way, as he got this well, he was looking very happy to see the well. He also noticed the bucket. As the first traveler noticed the bucket, he also noticed it. He looked around for the rope but didn't find it anywhere. As the first traveler also didn't got the rope to draw the water from the well, this passenger or this traveler also didn't got any kind of rope nearby. He suddenly caught sight of some creepers at the distance. In this picture you can see, children, on this tree also creepers are there, or the kind of uh, rope, these kinds of creepers were there. So he pulled some creepers, pulled out and intertwined them, like they bind each other and intertwined them. He prepared a rope and tied it to the bucket. Like this, he tied it to the bucket and he drew water, drank to quench his thirst. He got the water and fulfilled his thirst. That way, he got the water. At this point, Guruji asked, Vilas, now tell me which of the two travelers was more thirsty. Vilas said, Guruji, it is obvious that the second traveler was more thirsty. That is why he applied his brain and quenched his thirst. Obviously, we can also understand that the second traveler was too much thirsty as he used his brain and prepare a rope by the creepers and fulfill his thirst. Vilas said, Guruji, the same way that the second traveler was too much thirsty. Guruji smiled and said, Vilas, that is the real difference between you and Jivan. Guruji was uh, explained the incident that by this incident the same things are happening with you and Jivan also. His hunger for learning is stronger than yours, so he applies his brain and works hard. He makes every effort to acquire knowledge and wisdom. You don't do that because you are not very anxious to learn. First, cultivate in your heart that powerful urge. You will also use your brain and body to achieve your goal. I must tell you, children, in our class also, many of the students are there that they eagerly want to learn new things. But many of the students are there that still they have not watched any moral science and GK's video also, and they are not sending me homework also. A guru does not discriminate between one student and another, as all kinds of students are there in our class also, but we never discriminate in any student with another student because we are teaching all of you. That is why, children, some of the children are getting 95, above 95, and some children are getting rarely 40%, 50%, 60%, likewise. It is depend on you, children, that how you are achieving your goal. Both are equally dear to him, but only a restless seeker acquires knowledge at the earliest. Those who can capture the things very early, those kinds of children will achieve their goal. That way, we also must have to hunger for the knowledge. It depends on the learner how attentive he is to his guru's words and instructions. Whatever instructions are given by the teachers, it is depend on you that how much you learn or how much you are attentive to your guru or the teachers. On hearing these words, Vilas touched Guruji's feet and said, Now I have realized my folly and got your point. I shall not lag behind others any more. Please forgive me. Guruji bless me so that I may also pursue my studies and acquire knowledge sincerely. By this, Vilas to understand that what he want to do and what he not will do will not do in future also. Students, I hope you also understand, and as our exams are there, for that you also have to do very hard work. My blessings are always with you. Thank you very much, children, for watching this video.